Hello. So I will be constructing a circuit, a diode in series with a resistor. So this is the configuration that I'll be performing later. So I have a supply, DC supply, 12 volts DC supply, a silicon diode in series with a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is our breadboard. We will be needing a supply, 12 volt supply. Okay, so we need a diode, okay, a silicon diode, so we'll connect it in here. It's a forward bias condition. And then we'll be needing a 1 kilo ohm resistor, then connected in series. So they are in series connection. And we'll be needing some connecting wires. So we need um, 12 volts power supply. So we first use this tester to check if we have a 12 volt supply. Okay, so we'll be needing a 12 volt supply. So you will check. Okay, hope you can see the value. We need 12 volts in controlling them. Okay, so we now have the 12 volt supply and we connect. So we use these connecting wires to supply our circuit with 12 volts. So this is the positive terminal. So we connect it in here in series. So we need a ground. So this one to this terminal, okay? And we are now going to measure the voltage across the resistor. Okay, so it should be the value of the voltage across the resistor should be the the supply voltage minus the diode voltage. This is a silicon, so it's approximately, we are going to get 11.3 volts. So theoretically, it should be 12 or 11.3 volts. So let me check. This is the positive side. And of course, we can connect it in here, or in this part. Okay, and then this is the ground. Okay, can you see the meter reading? So let me just show to you. So what's the value? It's 11.34. So it's just right. Let's verify the voltage across the diode if it's um, 0.6 or so is the positive side, and then you have the negative part here. Let's check. Okay. Yeah, it's approximately 0.7. This is 0.69. Okay, good. So it's just right that this is silicon diode. The diode voltage is 0.7, approximately 0.7. And now, so we disconnect first the supply and then we try the other one. Um, we interchange their positions. So again, so I don't have any supply there, so I can be able to remove that in the breadboard. So let me try a resistor. Okay, and the diode is in, maybe I'll connect two diodes. Yeah, let me try to use this. Okay, LED. Let's try to use LED. So it should be in forward bias direction. And we need a 470. Let me check. 470 ohm resistor, 2 watts. Okay. Let's check. So we need 5 volts. Okay, let's try to lower our voltage, our input voltage. So we can be able to, let's measure first the voltage. Yeah, let's try 5 volts. Trying to control the knob here. Approximately 5 volts. So let's try to supply our circuit. So this LED should light up. Ground here. Okay, see? Did you see it? Okay, so the LED is turned on now. It's basically, yeah, simple circuit.